Hello and welcome to your Ghost Programmers Helpers videos. In this video we will go into step-by-step of installing Java to your machine using Debian Package Manager, made simpler. Before we continue, I would like to recommend you to hit that button and subscribe to my channel in order to get notifications whenever I post a new helper video. Here are the steps for installing Java. 1. Download the latest Java JDK from Oracle page. 2. Use the Debian Package Manager to install the Java JDK deb package. Lastly, confirm that Java is installed from the terminal. Okay, now let us download the latest version of Java JDK. First we open the browser, then we search for Java JDK. Then, click on the first link to Java latest version Oracle official page. Okay, now we have to search for the Java JDK.deb package, since we are going to use the Debian Package Manager to install the Java JDK.deb package. Download the deb package. It will take some time to download the package depending your internet speed. We can check if we have the Debian Package Manager. As you can see, we've got it. After the package has finished downloading, you can open the download on the File Explorer. Open the Debian Package Manager, then drag and drop the Java JDK deb package on the Deb Package Manager. Deb Package Manager will present you with a dialog to install the package. Click on the Install button, then wait and watch as the magic happens. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Java in your machine. It's now time to check and verify that Java has been installed. Let us check and verify that Java is installed. Open the terminal, check the Java version. You'll see the version installed on the terminal. Now coders, let us have some fun with coding our first Java program. Open a new file in your text editor, save the file as .java. Now let us write a simple, Hello World program that print Hello World in Java.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me.
To run our Hello World program, we have to cd to the directory that contains our hello world.java file using the terminal.
Every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shades
After which we first compile the Java file using javac. Then we run the Java file using Java command, this time without the .java extension.
is a fight, time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep
The program will print out Hello World in the terminal. Congratulations for installing Java and running your first Java program.
but I grow stronger, keep it
Congrats for watching the video to the end. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to support my channel, and also you will stand a chance to get Coder's educational videos that make coding simpler.